Hello everyone. Here is an update on the weekend winter storm threat. Winter storm warnings are now in effect. From the North Carolina mountains to the New England coast, the forecast details are beginning to come into focus. But it remains a challenging forecast, especially along the I-95 corridor where only subtle changes in the track of the storm will make a huge difference in snowfall amounts. The current snowfall forecast calls for the heaviest snow to fall across the higher elevations of central Pennsylvania, northeast across New England. Some locations across the higher elevations of interior New England could see 1 to 2 feet of snow. With this system, places like New York City and Boston will find themselves very close to the rain-snow line. This will make the snowfall forecast for these areas particularly challenging. Strong winds are also expected to develop, especially across southern New England as the storm intensifies along the coast. Gusts of 40 to 60 miles per hour are possible, which could cause some coastal flooding and beach erosion. Further south, some icing is expected across the central Appalachians, where a couple tenths of an inch of ice accretion is possible. This will be a high-impact winter storm with heavy snow, heavy rain, ice, and even severe weather. We will continue to monitor the progress of this winter storm and will post additional updates as needed. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this content, kindly subscribe and enable notifications to stay updated on future weather alerts.